Hello grade 5, how are you today? Our lesson today is talking about urinary system. Okay, we studied before that inside the body cells the oxygen burns the digested food, right? And this burning produces what? Produces carbon dioxide and water vapor and energy. And we have a group of organs, they are called excretory system. They help the body to get rid of the wastes, okay, that produced from burning the digested food inside the body cells. But before we're talking about the excretory system, we have to know the types of wastes. Number one, we have solid wastes. The solid wastes, they are in digested food and they are stored in the large intestine until they pass out of the body. So they are not related to the cell. They are not produced from the cell. They are called solid wastes. Again, they are indigested food stored in the large intestine until they pass out of the body. Okay? The second type of wastes, they are called excretory materials. And they are waste materials produced inside the body cells, where the body must get rid of them. Okay? Okay, so the excretory materials contains harmless materials that the body cannot use. We don't need them inside our body. And also they contain a poisonous materials that the body must get rid of them. Okay? Now we'll talk about the excretory materials. Number one, we have carbon dioxide, and we get rid of it through the lungs. Number two, we have nitrogenous wastes, and they are removed by the two kidneys. And the nitrogenous wastes, they are produced from burning proteins inside our body. When we eat proteins, what happens? The burning proteins make what? Produces nitrogenous wastes, and they are removed by the two lungs. And we have excess salt and excess water, and they are expelled out of the body through the skin. Okay? And also the kidney, some of them expelled out of the body through the skin and also through the kidney. Okay, now we'll talk about the human urinary system. It is a system responsible for what? Clarify the blood from nitrogenous wastes, excess salt, and water. It's located in the abdominal cavity, near to the backbone. Near to the backbone, inside what? Inside the abdominal cavity. The function of the urinary system, we said it filters the blood from urea, uric acid, excess salt, and excess water in a form of urine. Okay, urinary system consists of what? Number one, we have two kidneys. We have right kidney and left kidney. We have two ureters. They are connected to the two kidneys. And we have urinary bladder. And we have urethra. Okay? So again, we have two kidney, two ureters, and urinary bladder. And the end of urinary bladder, we have part is called urethra. Okay? And also we have artery, and the artery, it carries blood contain nitrogenous wastes to the two kidneys. And after the kidney clarify the blood will pass again through the vein. So the vein carries the pure blood to what? To the heart again. Okay? The first part of the urinary system, the two kidneys. They are the most important organs of the urinary system. They are the most important organs of the urinary system. They are bean shaped. They are shaped in the form of bean. Okay, they are located on both sides of the backbone. And their function, they filter the blood from nitrogenous wastes like urea, uric acid, excess salt, and excess water in the form of urine. Number 2, we have the two ureters. The ureters make what? They are two narrow tubes that connect the two kidneys to the urinary bladder. So they transfer the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Okay? After that, we have urinary bladder. It's a balloon-like sac that make what? It receives the urine from the two ureters and stores it until it released outside the body through urethra. And the last one, urethra, it's a tube extends from the urinary bladder and opens outside the body and allows urine to pass outside the body. Okay, I hope everything is clear, grade 5. Thank you.